What is Endpoint Detection and Response, EDR? EDR is an endpoint security solution that includes real-time monitoring and collection of endpoint security data with an automated threat response mechanism. Endpoint detection and response is a term suggested by Gartner to describe a class of emerging security systems that detect and investigate suspicious activities on both hosts and endpoints, which can be achieved by utilizing a high degree of automation that informs security teams and enables rapid response. Endpoint detection and response systems provide 5 primary functions, which are to 5. Utilize analysis and forensic tools to perform research on identified threats which could lead to other suspicious activities. What are the benefits of endpoint detection and response? Endpoint detection and response systems have taken their place as a checklist item for modern security teams. EDR protects the digital perimeter from known and evolving threats and security issues in a number of key ways. First, the comprehensive collection of monitoring data enables EDR systems to compile a complete view of potential attacks. Continuous monitoring of all endpoints, online and offline, eases the analysis and incident response. This enables in-depth analysis and insight so professionals can gain an understanding of the anomalies and vulnerabilities of the organization's network to better prepare for future cybercrime events. Detection of every endpoint threat goes beyond the traditional antivirus, and the ability of EDR to provide real-time response to a broad array of threats lets security teams visualize potential attacks and threats even as they evolve, all in real time. This can prevent loss by cutting off attacks in their initial stages before critical losses or compromises occur. Real-time response also lets an organization uncover suspicious or unauthorized behavior on the network, getting to the root cause of a threat before it can impact operations. Finally, EDR systems can integrate with other security tools, enabling the correlation of data from endpoint, network, and SIEM to develop a richer understanding of the practices and techniques being applied by bad actors trying to gain unauthorized access to digital assets.